of the day. It is. Oh, I got my carrots in there too.
Yes.
Because I wasn't in the mood for no whole lot of. Well, it was 7:45. I put my clothes on, and I could take that chicken, put it in a little heater thing. They're coming at 8:05.
Mm-hmm.
Even if it just heats up a minute, a second or two, it's like my little vault, that little oven thing.
Yes.
You can still eat it. And I'm like, I'm gonna give me some apple and orange, because I forgot to get it off the table before I went in my room last night. I'm like, you ain't getting up to go get it, but hey, if you want to, you can, but I'm not. And then I was like, I'm glad I remembered I had that big turkey, and I sliced it up, because I can eyeball now. I measured it so I know when it's 9 ounces.
Right.
Like now I can do that.
Yes.
And and I ate that, and I'm like, let's grab the grapefruit. So I'm gonna try to eat a grapefruit today.
Okay.
I'm not like no nasty or grapefruit, but hey, we're gonna. So this is what Jason says: losing weight won't make you healthier. Getting healthy will make you lose weight.
Mm-hmm. I agree.
Okay.
I have to
And
agree.
you're not valuable. You're not more valuable because you lose weight.
Absolutely.
I'm like, okay. And what if you never lost weight?
Mm-hmm.
Jason, my ass fat. I need to lose weight. But I get what he's trying to say.
The sentiment, yes.
Yeah, the sentiment. I'm like, but when you do that, you're abusing yourself.
You are.
That is why you gotta stop it.
And it stresses you out.
Yeah.
It makes everything worse.
They never teach you that in Weight Watchers. Zoom, Loom, Dexatrim, they'll never teach you none of that.
I
none of
know.
that stuff.
I know.
Five, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you know, I learned toes over nose a long time ago, and I forgot about it. But that's basically how you get up. Toes over nose, like hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, try to do it the way you know how to do it, that you did the other day. But I kind of get scared. I don't know why I get scared to do it that way. But I can do it. But that's okay. It's okay. I'm just going to get up the way I know how to get up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2.
There we go.
4,
yes.
5, 6, 7, 8. 3,
Here we go.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh. I put my panties on today too.
Okay.
2 days in a row.
Look at you.
You know why I say that? Because people with mobility, I know.
It's important.
I didn't put my panties on last year. I'm like, why? Easy. When you're younger, you got easy access. But when you're old, you need easy access to it. But now you got to get back to best practices.
No, I think that's important.
You know what that reminds me of? Okay, my head is spinning because I am tickled. Okay, I'm going to tell you what that reminds me of.
Okay.
Moses like big bloomers. He ain't like no G-string. I don't know. He like them big bloomers. And so
The garments.
that's it. That's old school. That used to tickle me. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. We gotta get moving. Okay. To have to acknowledge all this stuff.
Yes.
It means that I no longer have to. I can no longer agree that I am worthless. And that's why it was hard for me to get up. Because you can't not be eating sugar and eating and cooking my own meals in the kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
and come into. I could exercise perfectly well and eat all the junk food I wanted to, and I did do that for a long time.
Yeah.
But once you 1, 2,
Good.
3,
Good.
4.
You can keep talking.
You gotta count 5,
Okay.
6, 7, 8,
Good.
9, 10, 11,
Good.
12, 13.5.
Good. 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 Deep
1.
breaths. Deep breaths. You're taking lots of small breaths. They're going to make you dizzy.
Okay.
You got this.
2, like that.
Yes.
3,
Good.
4,
Good.
5, 6, 7,
Good.
8, 9.
Chest up. Chest
Okay.
up. I know.
You count for me.
10.
Okay, thank you. Because our greatest fears is not that we're weak.
11.
It's that we're stronger.
Yes. 12.
Thank you.
13.5.
That's right. Okay.
There we go. 1.
Sometimes trying to do this, if you
2.
put yourself down too much,
Yes.
you won't be able to move.
Mm-hmm. 3. 4. Good. Good. 5. 6. Good. 7. 8. 9.
People want to know what happened to me. I think I put myself
10.
down. I was doing more than the average person,
11.
but for me, I wasn't. My body
12.
gave out. It said enough of this crap. We got to bring
13.
you back.
Yes. 0.5. There we go. Deep breath. Deep breath. Pause. Good. Good. Yep. Good.
I felt like I didn't matter,
I understand. 1.
but I do matter.
Absolutely. 100%. 2.
I was treated like I didn't matter.
I know. 3. 4.
I'm still treated like I don't matter,
I know.
but it doesn't mean I don't matter.
4.
Okay, you counting good?
Yeah, you're on 5. There you go. 6.
Okay, gotta move that, please.
Yes, ma'am. 7.
Okay.
You got this. 8.
Okay.
Okay. You can do this. 9.
I'm doing it. Now I can do it. I'm doing it.
I know. 10. 11.
Okay.
12. Okay. Okay. 13.5.
Now, I just got a crazy thought. I gotta be like Cindy now. I might have to go walking before class or something
Okay.
to break up these, my body needs. But I always be having them bad ideas. So
No, I think it's a good idea.
when I first got out of graduate school, I used to